Karnataka ke swagata Tamanna Bhatia avare. Yes, we request you to say a few words on the occasion. The smile says it all. She indeed looks happy, but manadalada ಮಾತುಗಳು ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Words from your straight from your heart. Over to you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. It's a matter of huge pride and honor to be a part of the KSDL family. What they have shown me today is so much warmth and love. And to be honest, that's what my career in the past 20 years has been all about. I don't think I could have gotten this far as an artist if I didn't continuously get this kind of love and support from the audiences, from the country, and from Indians all across the globe. And today I feel like after 20 years of being in the film industry, it's a new chapter in my life as an artist. And I'm so excited that in this very new phase where I take on new roles, new challenges and new responsibilities, I get to be the face of Mysore Sandal Soap. A soap that's not just a soap, it is an emotion. It is our childhood, it is nostalgia. And I always wondered, how can something so nostalgic still be so relevant? And the only thought that crossed my mind was that when it was made with authenticity and the truth. And there's only one thing that doesn't change, and that is the truth. And I feel like that is the core philosophy behind Mysore Sandal Soap, being absolutely unbeatable in the market. Technology can improve, many more brands can come into the market, but Mysore Sandal Soap has a very, very strong and special place in people's hearts. It's the feeling that people, when they wake up in the morning and when they experience the soap, the feeling that they leave with and spend their entire day, that is just something that I don't think that's tangible. And yeah, I feel extremely honored, extremely lucky. And thank you, MB Patil sir. Namaste. Very nice to meet you. It's such a special occasion and you've made time for this. This means the world to us and we're so excited that you've come here to grace our event. And yeah, we're very, very honored to have you here. Thank you so much for having me. I'm looking forward to further interaction.
Yeah, we request you to kindly stay back on stage, please.
Yes.
Yeah.
A celebrated actress leading towards 100 or century movies in Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Kannada. It's such an honor to have you with us today. A hearty welcome to Namma Bengaluru and Karnataka.
Yeah, I would now request Honorable Minister Shri M.B. Patil, Chairman Shri Appaji Siyasnatgowda and the dignitaries to please come over to felicitate Tamanna Bhatia ji. But we'd also like to call upon
Srimati Leena, Assistant Manager, and Srimati Vidya, Manager, Quality Control, and other dignitaries to join us on the dais. Srimati Pallavi.
request all of you to kindly be seated and request the media friends to move on either side of the stage.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಕೆಲವರು ಬಲಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರಿ, ಕೆಲವರು ಎಡಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರಿ. ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಸಹ ಈ ಒಂದು ಫೆಲಿಸಿಟೇಷನ್ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಬರಲಿ. Once again, hearty welcome to Tamanna Bhatia to Karnataka.
Can we have a thunderous round of applause for this momentous occasion? A legacy of 108 years being carried forward for generations to come. A phase that will take KSDL pan-India and across the globe.
She started off her movie career way back in 2005. Daimadi, all the audience in the request barta ide. Media friends, move to the either side, please. Sorry, audience, you will have to watch it on the big screen. So 2005 ನಲ್ಲಿ Hindi Chalanchitra she started off. Thereafter, on the same year, she entered the Telugu film land. 2006 Tamil, and thereafter she has not looked back, as Meghna said, inching towards the century mark in films, and has carved a niche for herself. More than close to 30 million followers.
Yeah, and she has also received numerous awards, SAIMA, national awards, to name a few. Indeed, shows what a personality, what an influence that she has on people.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರೇ ಅಂತ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಯು ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್. ಯಾರು ಅನ್ಯಥಾ ಭಾವಿಸಬಾರದು. ಸಾರಿ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್. Thank you very much, Tamanna Bhatia ji, for accepting the felicitation.
ಎಸ್ ಅಕ್ವಾಟೆಕ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫೈರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲ್ ದರದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮ ಬಾರಿಗೆ 5,500 ವಾಟರ್ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫೈರ್ ಲಭ್ಯ ಇದೆ. 5,500 ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ RO UV UF TDS ಖಾಲಿ 5,500 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಬಂದು ಎಸ್ ಅಕ್ವಾಟೆಕ್ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಬೂರ್ ದಮ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಪಕ್ಕದ ರೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2ನೇ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.